that I am concerned about the Trump administration. This sort of compact for academic excellence, I'm not comfortable with it. I'm not comfortable with the Trump administration taking away grant money because they don't like the views of people out there. I'm not comfortable with the Trump administration trying to limit who can come to college from around the world. I'm not comfortable with their attempt to micromanage some of the departments they don't like. I acknowledge there's a problem. And that's the problem with articles such as viewpoint diversity is a MAGA plot. It doesn't acknowledge there is a problem. But here's the thing. If we in academia don't take care of the problem, it'll be taken care of for us. And we may not like the ways it is taken care of. There are ways in which we can address these issues. And we must be serious about addressing these issues. We must deal with these problems. There are real solutions. For example, we should be very intentional about viewpoint diversity in academia. That does not mean that we hire someone just because they think differently. But we have to recognize in academia, there is an atmosphere of a progressive bias. So if we don't intentionally ask ourselves questions along the way in hiring, when it comes to setting up funding, when it comes to whether accepting an article, is this about progressive bias or not? Then we'll fall into those sort of traps. We should seek out programs. We should seek out departments that have actually hired non-progressives and perhaps use those departments as examples of what we can do better.